Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. This morning took me a while to get into a trade, but I did see Microsoft setting up nicely. Earlier there was some news on Microsoft about TikTok. So when that news came out, it was very strong. And as you can see, this 15-minute candle open or was really nice. And after it was so strong, I waited for really an ABCD pattern to set up on this 15-minute chart. It also, on the 5-minute chart, came down and tested the VWAP and started making higher highs. But I really wanted the confirmation from the 15-minute candle before going long. But it looked great on all three of my charts to take it for the high of the day. So I took it here, and my stop loss was below the 20 moving average on the 1-minute chart, and partialed towards the high of the day. My final partial was at this whole dollar, 231. A ton of volume came in, as you can see here on the 1-minute chart, and that's where I exited majority of my position, and then it came back down and stopped me out. Then here is my OSTK trade. Someone called it out in the chat room, and this is an Amen inspired trade reversal. As you can see here, it came and tested this 9105 level, which is a level marked from the daily. It was very extended from all the moving averages on the 5-minute chart, and right here on the 1-minute, it a ton of volume came in and it threw up a hammer. I'll show you the 2-minute chart as well. The 2-minute candle is actually what gave me another confirmation that this would be at least a great pullback. So when it threw up this indecision candle with a large wick to the bottom on top of this 1-minute, I went long as soon as it made a new high, and I had a very tight stop at the bottom of the body of this 1-minute candle. And then I took partials at the 9 and the 20 on the 1-minute, and then on this one was intended for the 9 on the 5-minute. And then when it made a new 5-minute low, I exited most of my position. So when I saw that it could be heading back up, I added some more shares, and then partialed here. And then again, once it made a new 5-minute low, I just went ahead and exited my position because I saw that it was heading back down. And last but not least is CCL. This was a Peters Mountain Pass inspired trade. As you can see on the 1-minute, it came down and it was trying to test this previous high level. Then it came down again, couldn't quite make a new low. So that's when I started watching it for a reversal. These moving averages on the 1-minute, the 9 and the 20, started curling up and crossed, and this 9 started, or the 50 started coming down. It also made a new 15-minute high, and the previous 5-minute candle closed pretty strong. So on the next 5-minute candle on the pullback is where I went long. I had a stop loss below these moving averages on the 1-minute, and then I took my partials at levels that I have at previous levels I had marked as support on the daily. actually, this 1591 level was a, a level that was support earlier in the morning, and same for the 1603 level earlier this morning. No, six, yes, right here earlier that morning was a support level. So I took partials at those levels and at moving averages on the 1, 5, and 15 minute. And then I saw that it was doing kind of the same thing that caused me to get into this trade originally. It was starting to have a rounding top, and then these moving averages started curling down, and so I figured it was heading back down. So I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. But those were my trades today. I hope you all had a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.